How can I register in TikTok without a phone number? Do you want to create an account on the popular social network TikTok, but you don't have a phone number at hand? Or maybe you want to remain anonymous or create an additional account? No problem. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to register in TikTok without a real number using virtual numbers from the Grizzly SMS service. Grizzly SMS is an SMS activation service that offers customers inexpensive temporary numbers to verify accounts in various services. The cost of such a room is on average only a few tens of cents. Let's take a closer look at how to register for a TikTok without a real number using virtual numbers from the Grizzly SMS service. The first, go to the website grizzlysms.com. The link will be in the description below this video. The second, complete a simple registration. To create an account, simply provide your email and choose a password. The third, choose the country of the operator from which you wish to receive SMS for registration and click on the desired service. The fourth, to make purchases, you need to top up your balance. Specify the amount and the method of transfer. Several options are available, among which you can choose the optimal one. For example, a cryptocurrency wallet, bank card, and others. The fifth, it's better to start by familiarizing yourself with the prices for the service you're interested in. To do this, in the service selection menu, select TikTok. The sixth, click on the checkbox next to the Receive Numbers label, and then select Top Up Balance. The seventh, choose a convenient payment method and click Select. Enter the required amount to top up. Click on the Pay button. The site will redirect us to enter the details. Enter the necessary information to top up your account. You will find the generated number on the Active Numbers tab. Use it for further registration. With the help of the Grizzly SMS service, we easily purchase a registration number for TikTok. Similarly, you can create an account or any other messenger, social network, dating site, or other platform available on the Grizzly SMS website. Registration is quick and the comfort of using a virtual number remains.